merge functionality, coupled with a buffer tool, is integral to city planners. The city is often required to send notification to the owner of a property that is within a certain distance of a specific parcel boundary. The buffer tool allows you to select the data within a certain buffer distance either by drawing a line or polygon, or selecting an individual parcel boundary. In this example, the parcel layer is selected as a data source. After the buffer distance and selection method are chosen, all the parcels within the designated buffer distance are automatically selected. In order to create public notification notices, users can export the parcel selection on the map to an Excel spreadsheet by clicking the Export Features button. The spreadsheet results can be imported into a Microsoft Word document using a mail merge wizard, which in turn can automatically be fed into a public notification template ready for printing and mailing. Users can create buffer analysis for any desired GIS layer and can change the data source during the buffer selection. For instance, a 300-foot buffer distance from a major roadway is set, and now the users can change different GIS datasets, such as zoning districts, future land uses, or overlay planning projects layer, and export them as needed without having to perform individual buffer query. It saves time and is more efficient. Users can also access statistics such as total area covered by the selected features and the total number of selected features on the map. Clicking the Clear Results button will simply clear the selection on the map portal